Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about ShopDroneMesh.com because I'm going to be running a lot of updates to it soon and adding newer products. Not that much, but just a couple new ones. For example, some sick FPV cameras like the Hakcrc that I had previously. I've actually talked back to Hakcrc and they agreed on another basically campaign to get us for a pretty good price, and then just set them up here. I think like around 30 pieces, so that's very nice of them. So they give us a good price on that, so I could, so you guys can get them at a good price too. So that's going to be added very soon. I've also the drone mesh split scene frame. I have one left, but I did order a little bit more this time, so the price has dropped, so I could even drop the price slightly a bit more. Once I receive them after customs, I'll know exactly how much those are going to be gone for. It's an amazing frame. I still haven't been able to, I just had no time to do the full review for it just yet, but it's my favorite micro, and I'm not saying that because it's mine. It actually flies insanely beautiful. And I'll be sending one to, I think, Albert Kim and what's his name, Nick Burns. I've already talked with them. I just haven't had the time to do it just because of my whole family situation right now, with my son. Yeah, and just a lot of things going on. Some of you might know what the thing is, but yeah, it's just been a little bit chaotic lately. I've just been barely trying to get the videos out, or just trying my best to keep getting videos out. So the website's still functioning. I do have help. Whenever an order goes through, it's obviously shipped. The only thing that's currently out of stock is a Tico 32. That'll be in next week. These ESCs will be in next week, and possibly the price might drop or it might just stay the same. So we'll see how well that works out. And I'm going to be adding more bundles. Especially the bundles are great values. And if you guys have an idea for a bundle, I can go ahead and set up a bundle for you guys. If you can go here to limited special bundles, you can see, like, drone mesh split send and Tico. Any order you get with a drone mesh split send, you get access to the secret shop. Now the secret shop has some crazy things in there for absolutely cheap, and some of the things out here you do get a discount on. Even though they're already cheap, you even get them at a cheaper price. So that's how it works here. I'm going to be adding some other things also. Currently we have the latest FPV products. This actually goes in Parser's websites. I wrote a little script that goes like, for example, Banggood. This is actually going to Banggood. It went to Banggood this morning. Checked everything that's new, and actually just go ahead and updates you here. And when you click on it, it'll take you to Banggood. I'll also have one for Amazon's a little bit more difficult, but I'll have one for GearBest and maybe some other things also here. And these are affiliated, so if you do click them, this is also another way to support the channel. If you click them and you purchase something there, that really also supports the channel. Patreon also is another great way. I don't want to be here just asking, just like basically begging you or anything. I'm just saying, any support goes a really absolute long way right now. And just to keep the channel going, and to keep doing what I'm doing here. But overall, I'm going to be doing a lot of updates. I'm going to try to incorporate the secret shop into the applications, because the applications you cannot access the secret shop through the applications, only through the website. So that's something very important. And also the reviews I haven't updated them in a while, but they do automatically update. Just need to, like, for example, I haven't really mentioned this, and I should have really actually mentioned this. This is very important because some of you might see the video and for example, you see, let's just see something here. Let's see this one, for example. I think I did it on this one. What we do is you can go here and it'll have the video, and it also has my testing results in it also. This is the testing. You can save these, you can do whatever you want with them, and it has the video here, and it has where you can buy it from. If I find it on Amazon, it'll be here. GearBest, it'll be here also, so you can click buy now if you wanted to, and it has the video and the testing results. So I am doing that, so that's something pretty I think important that I keep forgetting to mention. Every time I make an ESC video, I slap myself in the face like, why didn't I mention this? So on the newer, I think I have a couple more ESCs that are going to be added. And they do get added. So if you go, let's just say where are they? Reviews, ESC reviews. I'll also be doing this for flight controllers. The newest will be the top, basically, the newest things. And I'm currently just adding the testing results in the other ones, and they'll just pop up in the next 2 days. Everything since the Fly Color, Raptor, Soul Good, ESC, everything after that will just start popping up immediately. So you can go ahead and also check these out here. And I'll do a complete setup system for this also, which will make it a little bit easier. But currently I'm just trying to put all the data in one place, and I can manipulate it and do whatever I want with it, and it'll be easier for me to move around to different places. So here's, just the little things that I really recommend, like the best budget stuff. I have just a simple place for budget. Top products would be the best of the best, kind of. Usually the best things that I've tested or used from experience. News, sometimes, you get a little news here and there. And yeah, but ESC certifications, this is like if an ESC has been certified, you can download the complete PDF file and actually check it out. So I think it's pretty interesting, cool. So here's a PDF file. It just goes on with like little details and summaries and tells you. Soon I'll have more info into these PDFs here, which talks about the ESCs, and hopefully this becomes a trend. We actually start seeing this on websites, so you'll know what you're getting before, you know, having to watch a video on the product. So you could just go here like, okay, oh, this is pretty good, and you can go compare it to something else. So it'll give you a very good what is it called, an educated guess or educated purchase, so you kind of get an idea of what you could expect from your quadcopter in a way. And it really does help. It really does help. If it didn't help, I wouldn't be doing all this. So yeah, that's one thing also. And yeah guys, that's it. I just really wanted to make this quick update video. I'll be adding more things, more bundles. There's a lot of awesome cool things I'm adding in the secret shop, you know, complete BNFs, some of my used things that I'm selling for cheap just to keep the channel going. You know, probably be pre-built quads soon also. Just, you know, just throw things in there just to keep the channel going, and as well as this here, just add a little something here and then. This is like great value, especially here in Europe, and I do ship to US. I ship everywhere. So yeah, so any support actually just goes an absolute long way. And if you have any issue, you could just drop a message here. Lately I haven't been online. It's just because I've been very busy with the family, with my son, and yeah, I'm gonna be busy next month, in the middle of next month, because I think that's when we're gonna schedule his surgery. And well, I think that's really it. Yeah, that's really it right now. So yeah, that's it guys. So I really thank you for all your support, all your comments, all your likes, your subscriptions. It's just been a blast, and I just can't thank you guys enough. I really can't. And I really hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time guys. See ya. Take care.